Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are passing by and decided to stop, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. Today, like the thumbnail says, I'm going to be having a try on haul. If you haven't seen this video, my favorite places to shop in Abuja, please check this video up here. This is one of the places that I like to shop in Abuja, and this is Miskayboutique. She recently had a sales, almost I think about 75% off, and it went for a couple of days. I will put the dates up here, and I will also be showing you how I ordered my stuff and how long it took for it to get to me and all of that good stuff. Okay, so if you would like to see someone trying on clothes, keep watching this video. Okay, all right, so I shopped on the website www.miskayboutique.com. I ordered I think about 3 items, a two-piece and 2 bodysuits, and they arrived in approximately, so I ordered it on a Saturday, I think the 13th, on a Saturday, and I got the item the following Saturday on the 20th. Yes, so it was shipped from, I'm guessing, Lagos, and it took approximately, it said outside Lagos takes 5 to 7 days, and I got it within a week, 5 working days, but I got it within 7 days. Yes, I already got started with the trying on, but let me just show you how it came. Usually this is how our stuff comes in. Yeah, so this is our Instagram, Facebook, and all of that, and then there's a phone number. Yeah, so this is how it comes, and it came with a label that had my name, my address, and all of that. So it was delivered to my doorstep. Of course, I paid shipping, and during this corona period, I don't think people really go to the parks to pick up stuff. I don't know, I haven't gone to the park, the motor park, to pick up stuff months now. So yeah, so like I said, I already got started. I got 2 bodysuits and a 2-piece. So I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be trying it on and showing you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is a 2-piece. It has definitely the tags, so this is how it is. You guys can see it's an off shoulder, I think. Yeah, and then this is the skirt. This had like different colors, and I'm sure you guys must have noticed by now that I love black, so I wanted to do something different. She had like pink, red, and yellow and black, so I just decided to go for blue, which is the safer option. And then I got this neon. You guys, I'm excited to try this on. Like, it's so bright. Yeah. And then this that I have on, so you guys are gonna see what that looks like. So I'm working with limited space, so this might be done in landscape or portrait mode. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so this is the 2-piece set. Sorry, this is the see-through bodysuit. This is my favorite item from this list, to be honest. First of all, I love black, so I love black, obviously, and this was my favorite piece. So definitely see-through, so you want to wear like a black bra or, you know, something inside, depending on your preference. It went for about 2,000 or 3,000 or thereabout. I think both suits went for about 3,000 naira max, because of the, usually they're like 7,800, 6,800, but because of the sales, it was 6,000. It was 3,000 naira, sorry. So it's see-through. You can pair this with, as you can see, I paired this with my waist bag. I got that off AliExpress, so you guys expect a video soon on how to shop on AliExpress, not just shopping, quality items off AliExpress. I mean, AliExpress is my place. Okay guys, so this is the green bodysuit. It's a bodysuit as well, just like the black one. I lost the clip where I talked about the suit, but it's very stretchy and the fabric is very, very comfortable on the skin.
I really liked the way the neon color shines really bright.
Okay, guys, so the next item here is the two-piece. This was originally, I think 11.8, but with the sales, I got this for 5.8. Right. This item is a crop top and a skirt. It's very stretchy, nice fabric. It had black, red, yellow, I think pink, and I'm always wearing black, so I just decided to get something different. So that's why I went for the blue. This item is long for me because I'm an average, probably on the short side. I think I'm about 5'4". So it's a bit knee length, not knee length per se, but it's somewhere down below my knees. But for someone who's taller than I am, this probably would be like a knee length for you. But this was a bit longer for me as a person that's not too tall. So yeah, this can be paired with a nice bag or anything. Let me know if you'd like for me to try out these outfits with like bags and shoes and purses. I would have loved to do that, but I think I'll do that in a separate video entirely, just how to pair like outfits. Let me know which of these outfits was your favorite. For me, I liked the black see-through. I just really liked it. And the second one for me was this two-piece set, and then the neon, which is very bright, was my not so favorite, but it was okay. I mean, it's nice to spice things up. So let me know which of these outfits was your favorite in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy seeing my videos. I hope you had fun watching me play dress up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.